between the domestic and international marketing. So domestic versus international business marketing, domestic versus international business marketing is defined as the set of activities which are undertaken by the companies to provide satisfaction to the customers through the value addition and making the good relation with them to increase their brand value, right? So any company provide the customer satisfaction through the value addition, making the good relation with them, then automatically increase their brand value. So it defines and convert needs into the product and services. So as to satisfy their wants, there are two types of marketings, namely domestic and international marketing. So domestic marketing is when commercialization of the goods and services are limited to the home country only. So coming to in other hand, international marketing, as the name suggests, it is the type of marketing which is the across several countries. So in the world, so the marketing of products and services is done globally. So that is called by the international marketing. So basic here is the basic for comparison. So meaning of domestic marketing. So activities like a production, promotion, distribution, selling, etc. within the geographical boundaries of the nation, like India. So this is the domestic marketing. So international marketing, what is the meant by the international marketing? Those activities extended over the geographical limits of the country. Okay, so domestic marketing, small area. So international marketing, large area. So government interferences, less rules and regulations. So comparatively high rules and regulations, domestic marketing. So international marketing lo high rules and regulations. So domestic marketing lo so government rules and regulations less compare with international marketing. So business operations in one country. So operations in one country. So operations in multiple countries. Operations in multiple countries, more than one country. Operations in more than one country. Okay. So use of latest technology is the limited in domestic marketing. So in international marketing, sharing and use of latest technology. So in this domestic marketing, risk factor is the low. So coming to international marketing, very high risk, like a socio and cultural factors. So exchange rates, etc. So capital requirement, coming to capital requirement in domestic marketing, less investment. Why? In the sense within the country or operation in one country, so less investment. Here, so huge investment. So nature of customers similar to nature. International marketing, customers with a different taste, different preferences, habits, like a culture, etc. Why? In the sense, the international marketing, the activities of the production, promotion, distribution, advertisement and selling are the action over the geographical limits of the countries. Then customers with different tastes and different preferences and habits, etc. So next one, research. So in international marketing, small survey to know the market conditions required. In the international marketing, deep research the market is required because of less knowledge about the foreign markets. So deep research on the foreign markets due to the lack of familiarity. So these are the difference between the domestic and international marketing. Domestic and international marketing. So small, the domestic marketing is the selling of the company's product within the local financial market. So domestic market is the selling of the company's product within the local financial market. So it deals, domestic marketing deals with only one set of competition and economic issues which make it more the convenient to do. So there are in domestic marketing in this area, domestic marketing area, there are no language barriers. There are no language barriers in the domestic marketing, and interpreting the data on the local marketing trends and consumer demand is easier and faster to do in domestic marketing. So it helps the company make the decision and develop marketing strategies that are the more effective and efficient. The risks are also lesser compared with the international marketing. The local markets are through the most companies are aiming at doing the business globally. So coming to international marketing point of view, so international business, international marketing point of view. So international marketing is the promotion and sale of the company, products and consumers in the different countries. So here the different companies customers is there. So it is a very complex and required a huge amount of the financial resources. Ekko capital kavali. So compare with the domestic marketing. So every country has its own laws, own law, rules and regulations, own law on the business and the company that aims at entering into the business in another country. So must first know about them, but the rules and regulations of that government, what are the laws of that government, that country laws and regulations. So consumer taste and preferences may also different. So the marketing strategies must be formulated. The marketing strategies must be formulated to cater the needs of the different consumers. Needs of the different consumers. The international marketing requires more times and efforts. Mention is the being very risky compared with the domestic marketing. So it requires the higher level of the commitment to succeed in the international market. So compare with the domestic marketing. So ekkada compare cheyandi domestic marketing compare cheste, so akkada manam succeed kavadaniki, so the higher level of commitment to succeed in the international markets.